Hi guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once more back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about Perpetual Protocol, and we are going to be reviewing it using our DYOR Risk Evaluation Toolkit. So Perpetual Protocol is one project we are looking at investing as part of our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, and the results we are going to get from this exercise is going to determine whether we actually pull the plug or we pull the trigger. So what is Perpetual Protocol? Created in 2019, Perpetual Protocol, formerly known as Strike, is an on-chain perpetual futures DEX on Ethereum. It was formerly based on XDAI with deep liquidity and builder-ready composability. The project aims to create novel financial instruments by democratizing futures and other crypto asset derivatives. Traders can go long or short with up to 10x leverage on a growing number of assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Synthetics, Yen Finance, and many others. Trading is non-custodial, meaning traders always retain possessions of their assets and on-chain. Perpetual Protocol utilizes a virtual automated market maker, also known as VAMM, which provides on-chain liquidity with predictable pricing set by constant product curves. Furthermore, Perpetual Protocol designed its virtual automated market makers to be market neutral and fully collateralized. While it utilizes chain-link price oracles for funding rates calculations, there is no on-chain price engine oracle to prevent the use of flash loans to manipulate the price of underlying assets and profit from Perpetual within the same transaction. The network is on Ethereum via Optimism, and it uses an ERC20 token, which is the Ethereum token standard. Now for some value proposition for Perpetual Protocol. It integrates a mechanism which prevents flash loans. It offers gas-free deposits of over $500 or 500 USDC, meaning traders can deposit with 0 ETH in their wallet. By using this virtual automated market maker model and building the exchange on XDAI, traders are able to enjoy on-chain trading without fees and instant settlement. Self-custody of your funds without getting stolen or seized. Trade without an account. Simply authenticate using a wallet. In addition, by launching its version 2 on Optimism, this brought the following improvement. Faster trading on Optimism. On XDAI, it used to be 5 seconds to confirm transactions, and now on Optimism, it's well below that 5 seconds. There is better liquidity and lower spreads with Uniswap version 3 integration. Permissionless market creation, allowing anyone to create perpetual markets using Uniswap and Chainlink Oracle. Liquidity providers can leverage better composability with other protocols and tools. Cross margin. As far as tokenomics goes, the ticker symbol is PERP, P-E-R-P. Total tokens available 150 million, but there is no hard cap. Circulating supply based on the current maximum available 90.8 million or 60.5%. Token distribution 7.5% or 7.5 million via balancer liquidity bootstrapping pool or LBP. 15% was allocated to strategic investors, 4.2% was allocated to seed investors, 0.1% was allocated to team and advisors, 54.8% was allocated to ecosystem and rewards. Now, insider token allocation is made up of team and advisors, strategic investors, seed investors, and that comes up to 40.2%. As far as use cases are concerned, the PERP token is a utility token used for incentivizing and for facilitating the decentralized governance of the Perpetual Protocol. Also, please note that the exchange fees, funding payments, and negative profit and loss all require USDC. So you need USDC on top of holding the Perpetual Protocol token, which is PERP. It's only a governance token. Now for some infrastructural use cases, users can open long positions. They can also open short positions as well as placing limit orders. Interested parties can also create pools on Perpetual Protocol so as to earn rewards via platform fees. Now, as part of our DYOR risk evaluation, we are going to be reviewing 13 elements, and some of the elements we are reviewing them in this segment of the video, and these include decentralization. Perpetual Protocol is a decentralized exchange or DEX for futures on Optimism, an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution powered by Optimism rollups. Trading is non-custodial, meaning traders always retain possession of their assets and on-chain. The protocol is community governed and has a bounty program for developers that find bugs in smart contracts. When it comes to security, the Perpetual Protocol has been audited by Consensus and PeckShield. The protocol is community governed and has an ongoing bounty program for developers that find bugs in smart contracts. The network was formerly launched on DAI, while the PERP token was on Ethereum as an ERC20 token. But now Perpetual Protocol is now based on Optimism, an Ethereum scaling solution. Perpetual Protocol is an ongoing bounty program for the community to identify potential bugs, which ensures that any potential exploits are identified by friendly participants first without compromising the network. As far as scalability is concerned, Perpetual Protocol is built on Optimism, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution powered by Optimistic Rollup, and trading perpetuals on Perpetual Protocol is now faster compared to doing them on the Ethereum mainnet, while still inheriting Ethereum's security aspects or attributes. Transaction finality is well under 5 seconds. Now, when it comes to interoperability, this is the ability of a project to work across its own boundaries. Users can bridge USDC to the Perpetual platform using USDC Express Bridge powered by Economy. Users can long or short a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Aave, Atom, AVAX, and many others. Switching from DAI to Optimism has facilitated better composability with other protocols. Now, social media presence for Perpetual Protocol. Via Twitter, Perpetual Protocol is over 71,200 followers, and on Discord, Perpetual Protocol has got 6,872 Discord members, and the project team consists of 13 employees according to LinkedIn data. Now, as part of our DYOR risk evaluation, we are going to be applying the 13 elements, some of which we've already covered when we were giving you a brief review of what Perpetual Protocol is. And those 13 elements are as follows: decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, project team, social media via Twitter, social media via Discord, age of the project, use cases, tokens issued at project launch, total tokens in circulation, maximum tokens available, as well as tokens allocated to insiders. Now, that last one, tokens allocated to insiders, let's give you a quick summary on that. Tokens allocated to insiders does not necessarily mean the tokens that are owned by insiders, but tokens allocated to those who are closely linked to the project, which includes the project team, any foundation, early investors, advisors, and so forth. That's what makes insiders, and we need to keep tabs or to assess the impact of any token unlocks is going to have on the value of the token for the wider community. And project rivals to Perpetual Protocols include GMX and Ribbon Finance. Those are just two of the many perpetual decentralized exchanges out there. So Ribbon Finance and GMX. So on decentralization, we gave Perpetual Protocol 5 points out of 10. On security, we gave Perpetual Protocol 7.5 points out of 10. On scaling, 7.5 points out of 10. On interoperability, 7.5 points out of 10. On project team, 7.5 points out of 10. Social media via Twitter, 7.5 points out of 10. Social media via Discord, 2.5 points out of 10. Age of the project, 5 points out of 10. The project was created in 2019. Use cases, 7.5 points out of 10, as I believe Perpetual Protocol has got a decent basket of use cases. When it comes to tokens in circulation at the point at which we are doing this video, 5 points out of 10. Tokens issued at project launch, 2.5 points out of 10. Maximum tokens available. Unfortunately, we are going to give it 0 points out of 10 because there is no hard cap. And finally, inside the token allocation, we are going to give Perpetual Protocol 2.5 points out of 10. Now, as part of our DYOR risk evaluation, we are going to add all the scores we've allocated or issued to Perpetual Protocol. Then we come up with an aggregated score, and that aggregated score is then classified within the 4 risk categories. The best case scenario when it comes to risk, we call that category go for it category, and the project in this category will have scored 110 to 130 out of 130. The next level down is potential category. A project will have scored 90 to 109 out of 130. The one below that, we call it could go to 0 category, and the project will have scored between 65 to 89 out of 130. And then the highest risk can be found within the no-go category. Here, a project will have scored 0 to 64 out of 130. And I must say, we haven't come across a project that is scored 0. Otherwise, we'll even review it. So, Perpetual Protocol gave us a mega total of 67.5 out of 130, which puts it within the could go to 0 category. Now, not surprised here because most of the projects we've reviewed are falling within this category, could go to 0 category, which cements the idea that any crypto project could go to 0, including Bitcoin. But having said that, there are some projects that are scoring higher than this category, that is falling within the potential category. There are a handful of those projects that have scored within the potential category. Now, do you agree with the scores we've allocated to Perpetual Protocol? Are you invested in Perpetual Protocol? Is this a project that interests you? If not, if you change your mind after watching this video, please let us know down below. Let us know your thoughts. As far as we are concerned, like I've already said, we are going to be making some moves into Perpetual Protocol. It's a project that interests us the most among some of the perpetual DEXes out there, which includes GMX and Ribbon Finance. Ribbon Finance, we've already done a DYOR risk evaluation on Ribbon Finance. Finance, and we are still weighing our options to see if we can jump into Ribbon Finance. But for Perpetual Protocol, based on these results and based on some of the information we currently have, we will share our news on whether we have made a move into Perpetual Protocol when we do our next public portfolio updates, which will be our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge update, which is one of our public portfolios that we share with our viewers. Anyway, in the meantime, we await your thoughts. Until next time, this was your update on Perpetual Protocol, as well as a D1OR risk evaluation that we've performed on Perpetual Protocol, a project that is of interest to us. What are your thoughts? This is your host, FD465.tv, signing out for now. Bye.